some spare wheels.
Get some spare wheels, save us life. A pair of grills.
No, we just like to be a bit more prepared than getting flat. Yeah, look at us home if we break
It'll
down.
get us up. So this is Luke.
Hi.
How you doing, Luke?
Alright.
You good? LB 4x4. Get all your Land Rover bits from him. Great guy. And so we just bought 2 spare wheels, even fitted them for us, and a roof rack.
Oh my
Spent
god.
2 hours of his life fitting that for me. The fun 2 hours.
Toys and the big expensive toys. But we're gonna beat the train to the train station.
We're home.
Maybe.
Right, let's
If
watch
we
out
don't
for
pop
the
a tyre.
sheep. Watch out for the sheep.
Oh my god! The train's just pulling up. We won! We beat the train, sort of, kind of, not really. We arrived at the same time. So we've just arrived at the train station where they filmed a bit of Harry Potter.
This is Ghostland.
Yeah.
That's where they also filmed Heartbeat as well.
Yeah, but Harry Potter's better. So there's like a scene in like the first one where it like zooms out and Hagrid's walking along the train.
You're a wizard, Harry. Normally that wide. Foot wide. Cast iron, look at how thick that is. Tech mullets, that one. Pretty cool.
Yeah. Like, that's where Harry Potter were filmed.
Well,
Some of it.
oh my god, look at this car.
Oh my god, is that
That's
a
cool,
Disco 4?
That's a cool car.
Currently just sat at the side of the road trying to find out where first lane is that we're going to go to, because we're going to go do a little bit of Greenlaning.
But there's no phone signal, as you can
There's
imagine.
absolutely nothing. I mean, we are in the middle of nowhere. Nothing's loading. Couldn't make a phone call if we tried. So let's just hope we don't break down. What this guy is not understanding is the fact that these shoes are the furthest thing from waterproof you could ever get. No, I'm gonna get wet. I'll have to go that way. It moves. Oh my god, I just saw like a tadpole. Ugh. How wet are your feet? It's sinking in. I'm not been joking you. I stood on this rock and it has just split. You got up there. How are you gonna get down? This is gonna be interesting. That was entertaining. That lane, it wasn't very long, but it was like,
There's a little bit of
it were like
excitement three fords.
river, yeah.
And a ford,
one of them
to
wasn't
our non-UK viewers, is a little bit of water going over a road. That
It's
is
probably like a foot deep, but it couldn't.
Probably
but
not even a foot. It was probably like 6 to 8 inch
Yeah,
at
it
most.
wasn't even that deep. But it had them posts next to it that were like 6 foot tall. So obviously, then you know how deep the water is. Because I'm guessing, well, it's England. Hello, it rains all the time. It will get pretty deep, and the numbers were washed away on a few of the posts.
Up to about 3 foot.
Yeah, like 3 foot of water. I mean, it's not really that deep when you think about it. This could go through 3 foot of water, couldn't it?
I don't know if Land Rover rate it to 3 foot.
Let's get a snorkel on it and we can go
I feel
through
like
3
it
foot.
could.
These houses are...
I don't think that was a house.
No,
That's a
that's
church.
a church. But the houses back there were really nice. Probably should have put some trousers on, my legs are a bit cold.
My feet are freezing but drenched. Free
Yeah.
parking, you never see that, do you?
So we've just driven about 20 minutes down the road and we are off to Whitby Abbey.
Yeah,
So-
should we go to the castle?
Yeah, let's go and have a look around. And what are we? 6 minutes away. Here we are, we're at Whitby Abbey.
They just don't make buildings like they used to anymore.
It's a shame because they're gorgeous.
It might have just fit you at a push.
No thanks. I think we're gonna go find somewhere to have like a nice pub late lunch. Probably in autumn. Yeah, I'm a bit hungry. I'm so hungry. I could have like a proper like
So it's a 60 roll.
steak and ale pie with some chips, some wedges and like mashed potato. Oh, I love mashed potato. Oh, beer battered onion rings. Sat waiting for the bridge to go down because the boat just went through.
Absolutely riveting.
Finally found some of that food. Steak and ale pie. We all know that is exactly what I'm getting.
I think I'm going to get fish and chips.
Oh.
You know, when in Whitby.
Wait.
Get a chip.
Some onion rings. That's so great. We're on his way home now. It's been such a good day, like the sun has just been on our side, it's been lovely. And we've got one stop to make en route.
Like, I literally just wanted a fucking daily, but that's it.
And you bought a Land Rover?
Yeah.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining us on another adventure this week. Join us next week.
And we'll go find a castle somewhere.
And it's been a pleasure to meet Josh. Come and join us, Josh.
Now we've got Disco 4 friend.
Disco 4 friend.
And your other friend.